Welcome to Dhanashree Engineers Private Limited, manufacturer of bolts and screws. We are an ISO 9001-2008 certified company, incepted in 1997 at Pune. Our good financial position and TQM make us unique in the industry. Tata DLT International and DTL Ancillary Limited are some of our prestigious clients, and we are backed by large production capacity and customized solutions. Automobile and standard fasteners are some of our products. We offer industrial bolts and studs that are best in the industry amongst others. We are engaged in offering superior quality metal wire and automobile press components to our esteemed customers. Industrial nuts and washers offered by us are widely appreciated in the market. We are leading firm engaged in offering wire rods and handle boxes. Along with that, we offer industrial screws and pins that are class apart. For more information, log on at www.dhanashreengineers.net.